You think you'll ever win? Think again. You don't have money. Your life feels stuck. People keep outsmarting you. And no matter what you do, it feels like you're always one step behind. Why does this happen? Most people believe success comes from luck, talent, or working harder than others. But that's a lie. The people who win, the ones who always get ahead, they don't rely on luck. They follow rules you've never been taught, rules of fearless action. They see hesitation where others freeze. Every pause you make, every doubt, every second of indecision is an opportunity for them to take the lead. While you overthink, they act. Every moment you waste thinking, they move 2 steps ahead. They notice patterns in everyone's behavior. Human decisions are predictable. They don't guess, they calculate. They know what people will do before anyone else does. Because most people act emotionally, predictable behavior is all they need to dominate. While others react, they anticipate. Where most people see danger, they see opportunity. Every risk is measured, every move calculated. That's why they win while the rest lose. Fearless people don't hesitate. They act where others falter. Risk isn't something to fear, it's something to exploit. Here's what most people never understand. Fearless people don't rely on charm, luck, or even intelligence alone. They rely on strategy, systems, timing, power. They move through life like a force nobody can stop, and they never let emotions cloud their path. Decisions are calculated, not emotional. Every problem you see as a threat, they see as an opportunity. Every hesitation, weakness, or limitation in others becomes their advantage. While you overanalyze and wait, they take action and dominate. That's why the same people always get ahead, and most people never catch up. Fearless people also understand power dynamics. They know who holds influence, who can block them, and who can help them. They position themselves strategically, so every move maximizes leverage. They don't wait for permission, they take control silently and efficiently. They also master timing. Most people act too early or too late. Fearless people strike precisely when the moment is most advantageous. Timing, strategy, and anticipation create a gap between them and everyone else, one that is almost impossible to close. They manipulate attention, influence perception, and use subtle psychology to make people follow or comply without resistance. Every interaction, every decision, every movement is calculated to create maximum impact. So if your life feels stuck, if people always seem to outsmart you, it's because you're playing by the rules of the 99%, fear, hesitation, indecision. The 1% who dominate,
They've mastered fearlessness. They've studied patterns, exploited weaknesses, and moved with precision. They act where others pause. They control what others follow. And now that you know, the choice is yours. Stay behind or start playing by their rules.